Alright, what's up guys? What's growing on? So, I want to make a quick video today. I'm going to be eating some more fruit, but I want to talk about something here. You know, we had that really hard freeze 2 winters ago. A lot of things got damaged here around the farm, and I'm really regretting not replanting some things, especially passion fruit. So that's what this video is going to be about today. And you know, two and a half years ago, I had passion fruits growing up every tree around the farm. Literally this big oak you guys see over here across the way was completely engulfed in passion fruit. The vine actually made it up to this cable line and was coming across my yard. So I grow Passiflora edulis here in Florida. We do have a native maypop, which is our native passion fruit, Passiflora incarnata. Those are a little bit more sour, where we have these improved varieties that can be grown of the Passiflora edulis. So my favorites are more of the purples. The yellows tend to be a little bit more on the sour side. But these things, literally, the vines grow up the tree and they can fall from 50, 60 foot up in the air, maybe even higher if it's hitting like a soil type surface, and they have a really thick leathery skin. And it's literally like a, you know, an Easter egg hunt for grown-ups, you know. And not only is it fun picking these up off the ground and eating them, they're highly valuable. I mean, you go into a store, Whole Foods, Publix, anywhere that has passion fruits, you're going to see those things $2, $3, $4 a piece, and one vine can make, you know, 2,000 fruits a year. So, you know, we're talking about money falling out of the trees with these things. So really going to step up my game this year after our last frost. I'm planting like 20 more passion fruit vines. I planted a couple late last year, and that's why I started this video by the tree, just to kind of show you guys how we start them. So this is the passion fruit vine. This is the purple variety. This one's only been in the ground since maybe October, and we like to put a piece of bamboo here to give them to climb onto, and it'll end up climbing all the way up that tree. And if you guys have not seen a passion fruit flower, they are definitely next level. Maybe I'll try to cut one into the video just to show you what they look like, because I don't have any flowers right now. But this vine makes the most unbelievable, just mind-blowing flower you ever seen, and then you get this really, really delicious fruit. So they're great eating out of hand. They're great putting into a drink. There's many different ways to eat passion fruit. You can, even if you have a ton of them, crack them out into ice trays, put them in the freezer, and save them until making smoothies or teas or drinks or whatever you want with it to extend that life a little bit. So that's how we grow our passion fruit vines here around the farm. And I'm definitely replanting a couple on this tree this year. Actually, probably got about 15 trees in my scopes. But I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna go eat some fruit, so hold tight. All right, I got my 2 little taste testers back with me. I got Gavin and his buddy Brock. What are we eating this time, guys?
I forgot. Passion fruit.
Come on, all right. What are these things all about? Tell me what they're like.
They're sour, citrusy. They taste like a lemon and a strawberry, in my opinion, put together.
Okay, why don't you each grab one?
All right. Okay. Pretty sour. It's good. Compost?
Compost. What do we do with compost? Yeah, go ahead, do it.
Either Ginger eats it, but
All right, goes in the bush, goes in the bush. Oh, all right. Whoa. Was it that bad?
Yeah, it's sour. I don't want this one. It's so sour. What? For the green dreams. I think we need to start making noises, Gavin.
All right, we might need to get a miracle fruit, huh?
Oh, yeah. Well, you have those?
I do. All right.
Wait, you do?
So this purple variety is actually usually pretty sweet. The more wrinkly these get, the sweeter they get.
Wait.
So I'm guessing if I wait a couple days, these might get a little better. I like to look at these fruits as like, almost like vegan caviar. It's like little eggs. You can eat the seeds and everything. You literally just suck them out of here. Mmm. Mine wasn't too bad, guys. A little bit, mostly sweet. You can see how thick that skin is. Whoa, whoa.
Should I get this one?
You gonna suck it down?
3, 2.
Brock, grab another one. Show us what it's about. Come on. Down the hatch. Oh, oh. How was it?
Good.
All right, would you eat that again?
Sour.
Sour? So you approve?
Sour.
All right, Gav, hold a couple for us. Can you guys juggle these?
Juggle them? No.
No, you can't juggle?
Oh, unless you want it to be ruined, then yes.
All right, don't do it. If you can't do it, don't do it.
Okay, I want to just get the wrinkles.
What do we do here, guys? Do we pound dirt? What do we do?
Pounder.
All right, so gonna be planting more vines this year. If you guys want to try passion fruit yourself, check out Miami Fruit. Link will be in the description down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Hit that bell to stay notified. And most importantly, like Gavin said and Brock, pound dirt.